Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to find volatility 75 index on MT5 with Exness. So guys, what you have to do, the first step, open your MetaTrader 5 and make sure launch your MT5 platform and make sure it's connected with the Exness platform. This is the first step you need to do. And after that, go to the market, and the market window you see list available of including currency pair and indexes, and make sure watch window is not visible and press Ctrl M. If is not visible, click on Ctrl plus M and the top menu and select the market watch, and the right click select the symbol and the market watch window, right click a new and the list and choose the symbol of from drop down menu and search for volatility 75 index of the symbol and the indexes section, and depending your brokers guys, and but typically include volatility the number 75 and enable this index, and you will then click show enable option. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.